My friend sent me this journal and it's probably the cutest family gratitude journal I've ever seen. I absolutely love all the different animations in there. We just started doing it as a family, and each day you're prompted, what is one thing you're grateful for today? And it's just really cute to hear what your kids are grateful for. And of course, you get to put what you're grateful for as well. And then there's an optional chat, which has been really fun too. So for instance, yesterday we did the thing we're grateful for, and then it was, who in your life do you feel proud of? What was your thing that you said, what in your life do you feel proud of?
Myself.
Both my daughters said, me. And I just thought, well, that's cool. They have a lot of good self-esteem. So I'm doing a good job as a parent. Pat on my own back right there. But each day there's something different. So tonight's one will be, did anyone you know do anything today that made you proud of them? And these are just things to kind of get them to think, get yourself to think, but it's good for all ages. So even little kids can answer these. And there's also mindfulness activities. So there's more things to do. And every page is different as well. And look how cute all the little animations are as well. So 200 pages to fill this out. Super simple. If you miss a night, it's all good. No big deal. Pick up the next day. But teaching gratitude to your family and to your kids, I think is just so important. And especially it's a practice that I try to do all the time. So being able to incorporate this with my children and my husband, it has been great. So I'm really looking forward to filling it all out. And then it'll probably be a journal that we're not going to want to let go of. We're going to want to look back at it. At least I will, as a sentimental mom. So I just think it's super cute. And if you haven't started journaling with your family about things you're grateful for, I would definitely scoop this up and get started on that. And I think you're going to absolutely love it and just love seeing what it does in your kids' lives as well.